Many institutions are evaluating ways to make their branches more efficient, and one of the best tools for that environment is teller cash recyclers, or TCRs. The typical cost of a teller cash recycler ranges between $8,000 and $12,000 a year, and that includes everything from hardware depreciation to maintenance. The general rule of thumb is that 2 people working off a device can do the work of 3. A typical drive-thru environment is 30 to 35% faster at getting those cars through that drive-thru so your line isn't wrapped around the building. The number one efficiency gain for teller cash recyclers is vault transactions. Many institutions may run 15, 20, or even 30 vault transactions on a busy Friday. A teller cash recycler brings that environment to your teller line, maybe allow you to adjust inventory once or twice during the day. So if you're looking for ways to make your staff more efficient, allow for more time for cross-training so they can upskill themselves, or if you're looking for ways to streamline the staffing levels needed to make your branch operations run, teller cash recyclers have become that key tool in the teller line.